Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are on the next episode of Jan Ki Baat. We are here at the startup meet of AstroCham, and we have with us Drishti and Adhiraj, who work for Coral Bay. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. But before starting, just can you tell our audience about this venture that you were telling me offline, because it looks quite interesting.
Okay, so we are actually a division of Coral Bay by the name of Moola. We guys are raising funds for startups and helping them grow along the way. We have a simple 4-point procedure wherein we do a hygiene check. The hygiene check involves a lot of the country's VCs and PEs. We showcase the idea to them and then take people on board. We help you with the documentation. We also help you with the pitch.
Okay.
And we help startups pitch to the investors, and lastly we take you to the investors.
Basically, so if a person does not know how his idea has to be pitched to a venture capitalist, you guys are the people to contact.
Drishti is the story builder.
Fine. So I get that point, ladies and gentlemen. That is not a part of marketing, because I just found this something very unique, which can help the prospective our college students there with great potential ideas to connect. That's why we just came with this introduction. Coming on the startup policy, guys, what is your perspective when you meet with VCs? So what do they tell you? What is the message or the signals that you're getting from it? How is the environment?
First and the most important one is that look at real businesses which are making money.
Okay.
Don't go for valuations. Don't go for bubbles that are being created. Do business, make money, then approach.
Okay.
That is the best thing that I can, or the advice that we can give to anyone is that if your business is making money, you have a better chance of raising money right now.
Okay.
So real businesses is the way to go.
Real business. Fine. You talk about making money, Drishti. So there was on this. When we listening to the panelists, we got to know that a lot of us know that Ola is still into loss and Amazon has still not made profit. So is it just about the money, or it's also about the potentiality of the ideas which the VC looks for? Tell me the inside of the VC's mind, if a person needs to understand. Any of you guys can. Yeah.
Actually, both. I mean, they look at the idea and the concept as such. Also, it should be something that is sustainable.
Sustainability.
So, in fact, if you talk about Ola has, I was reading an article which said that the number of people that Ola is employed, it's equal to the number of people that Uber has internationally.
Okay.
So, they're overstaffed.
I get that.
So, there are many inefficiencies in these Indian startups.
I get
People
that.
are following the business models that are there in the West. But there are the smaller things which are making them inefficient.
I think it's very important to understand that India is a different market. True. So whatever works in the West, it's not necessarily that it will work here.
Okay.
And you should be unique and be bold enough to do business in India. Because if you can do business here, you can do business
Anywhere. And okay, so I'll the last question that I would ask, let Adhiraj, you should answer this is, I am a student here and I'm watching the interview. I want to know what VC thinks. I'm going to pitch the VC. Tell me 3 steps, those principal points which I should not get it wrong at any cost.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I'll refer to my the way we create a document. The first thing we look at is
Just quick 10 seconds.
you must rely and you must have very good. You must have a very good team.
Okay.
That's the first thing.
Team.
You must have a clear-cut action plan.
Okay.
And
Last.
expansion plan.
Okay.
And the thirdly is that you must be confident about what you want to do.
Okay.
And how you're raising money.
So, ladies and gentlemen, again, that was Adhiraj and Drishti there joining us. Thank you so much, guys. That
Thank you
was
so much, Pradeep. It was very nice talking to you.
Thank you so much. That's Jan Ki Baat for you, tracking AstroCham's Startup India Meet. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.